Hey guys, Jeff from Smoking TJets. Look what I've got going up on eBay next. Got a couple of hot rods here, guys. The red one has a chassis. It is a tough one chassis. It's got the AFX brushes in it. The magnets are a little bit stronger than the normal stock ones. You got the mags and the the slicks and everything. Just really, really, really nice chassis. Now I know these the shells here, they're lacking either the windshield, the roof, that kind of thing. Guys, over here is a dash chrome kit to turn any one of these into like you see in the back there. Dash made the one on the left, the chrome one, but all the other ones, the red one, the yellow one, the tan, the white, the green, blue one over there, those were all the hot rods that I've taken and then used the dash chrome kit with. Yeah, the black one, I think the black one is a dash, and I turned it into a rail. And yeah, those are the original super modifieds right there. And what I'll do, guys, is I'll send you a link. I'll send you a link to where I can show you how to customize these hot rods so you can adapt the dash chrome kit to it. I will send you a link so you can see how to do that. But guys, I'm going to set the bidding out at a very low bid so anybody can go ahead and bid on these. And what I'll do next is I will put it on the track and I'll show you how well the chassis runs, because this thing just flies, guys. It runs really well. 1 second. Alright, just got the hot rod on the track. Guys, this thing takes off. I mean, it really takes off. So, listen, if you really don't even care about the chrome kit or anything like that, just want a real good chassis, this bugger flies. Absolutely flies. Alright, guys, so hey, listen, happy bidding on there. These can all look like the ones I showed you earlier. With the dash chrome kit, they'll just be ready to go, guys. And again, I will send you a link after you win the auction. I'll send you a link to a video that will show you how to convert it and how to use the dash kit properly, guys. There's a couple things that you need to know before you just dive into it, and I'll explain everything in the video. But guys, if you like the challenge or the project here, go ahead and bid on them. I think they're just a blast. I really do. I love taking one of these old ones and then again turning them into like, hey, look at those. You got some super modifieds that are just really choice, all thanks to Dash. So, again, guys, happy bidding on these things, and feel confident about bidding on them, because when you win the auction, I don't fuss around with shipping, guys. I get this stuff out immediately, right away. I get it out right away. All right, guys, this is Jeff from Smoking TJets. Happy bidding.